Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys today. I will be discussing the history of eyelash extensions and where eyelash extensions originated from and what makes them such a popular procedure even to this day. Please subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post new content. And without any further ado, let's get into this video. Eyelash extensions have been a fashion trend for more time than most people think. The desire to have luscious lashes has transformed dramatically since their beginning in 3500 BC. While the reasons to have long eyelashes were more symbolism back then, today they are an indication of beauty. The extensions may be made from several materials including mink, silk, synthetic, human, or horsehair. The main method of applying the extensions is by using an acrylic adhesive to apply the extensions to the natural lash, 1 to 2 minimum from the base of the natural eyelash, never making contact with the eyelid. In 1879, James D. McCad wrote the National Encyclopedia of Business and Social Forms, where in the section Laws of Etiquette he stated that eyelashes could be lengthened by cutting the ends with a pair of scissors. Other beauty books, such as My Lady's Dressing Room by Bernstaff and Beauty's Aid or How to Be Beautiful by Countess C, also states that the trimming of eyelashes along with the use of the pomade benefit eyelash growth. Countess C also suggested that eyelashes can be given extra length and strengthened by washing them every evening with a mixture of water and walnut leaves. In 1882, Henry Laptre of Truth reported that Persians have found out how to make false lashes by having hair sewn into the eyelids. A similar report appeared in the July 6, 1899 edition of the Dundee Carrier, which describes the painful method for elongating the lashes. The headline of which read, "Irresistible eyes may be had by transplanting the hair." The article explained how the procedure achieved longer lashes by having hair from the head sewn into the eyelids. In 1902, German-born hair specialist and noted inventor Charles Nessler, aka a Curl Nessler or Charles Nessel, patented a new and improved method of a means for the manufacture of artificial eyebrows, eyelashes, and the like in the United Kingdom. By the 1903, he began selling artificial eyelashes at his London salon on Great Castle Street. He used the profits from his sales to fund his next invention, the permanent wave machine. A permanent wave machine was commonly called a perm and involves the use of heat or chemicals to break and reform the cross-linking bonds of the hair structure. In 1911, a Canadian woman named Anna Taylor patented false eyelashes in the United States. Taylor false eyelashes were designed using a crescent-shaped strip of fabric. The fabric had tiny pieces of hair placed on them. Another noted inventor of eyelash extensions is M. Maximil F., a Polish beauty guru and businessman who founded the company Max Factor. In 1916, while making his film Intolerance, director D.W. Griffith wanted actress Shanna Owen to have lashes that brushed her cheeks to make her eyes shine larger than life. The false eyelashes, which were made from human hair, were specifically woven piece by piece by a local wig maker. The eyelashes were adorned using spirit gum, commonly used for fixating wigs. One day, Owen showed up to set with her eyes swollen nearly shut. Her co-star Lennon G wrote in her memoirs years later about the situation. By the 1930s, false eyelashes were becoming more acceptable for the average woman to wear. This shift in cultural opinion was largely due to the influence of film actresses that were seen wearing them on screen. Featured in Vogue, false eyelashes had officially became mainstream and given the Vogue stamp of approval. In the late 1960s, false eyelashes became the centerpiece of makeup. During this era, eye makeup that gave women big doll-like eyes was very common. They achieved this look by applying false eyelashes on both the top and bottom eyelashes. Models like Twiggy helped popularize this trend and is often associated with it. In 1968, at the Feminist Miss America podcast, protesters symbolically threw a number of feminine products into a freedom trash can. These included false eyelashes, which were among items the protesters called instruments of female torture and accoutrements of what they perceived to be enforced femininity. In 2008, Anesthetic Korea Co. Ltd. began to manufacture products as semi-permanent eyelashes, which became popular in Korea. Since then, several similar companies have started to set up, which has had a considerate impact on neighboring countries, including China and Japan. However, due to South Korea's annual rise in labor costs, many manufacturers have moved from South Korea to China or Vietnam. In 2014, Miami-based Katie Stoker, founder of One or Two Cosmetics, invented the magnet false lashes as an alternative to those that utilize glue. Today, magnet eyelashes are becoming more and more common, with many mainstream brands like Ardell and Too Glam offering more affordable options. However, these are false eyelashes and not eyelash extensions. Originally, false lashes were made of acrylic resin. However, over the time, the materials have improved, and nowadays, false eyelashes are made of a special plastic fiber called PBT. PBT is heated and then molded into the desired lash shape. Lashes that are made from this material are strong and have a natural glossy sheen. Moreover, they also retain their curls better. False eyelashes and semi-permanent eyelash extensions both enhance the length and volume eyelashes, although they differ in various ways. Classic lashes are a 1-to-1 ratio of one extensions applied to one natural lash. Hybrid lashes are classic lashes and volume fan lashes mixed together. Volume lashes are 2 to 6 thin eyelashes extensions that make a fan shape to allow for a look of full and fluffy lashes. Mega volume lashes are 10 or more super thin eyelash extensions. Pre-made fans are ready-made volume eyelash extensions. They are arranged on the sticker strip for easy pickup and quick application. Hybrid lashes involve both classic individual eyelash extensions and volume fan mixed together for the ultimately in fluffy. Textured lashes, also referred to as a mixed set, they offer a thicker, denser look than classic lashes, but without the uniformity and softness of a typical Russian volume set. Temporary false lashes are applied with temporary lash glue and are not designed to be worn when showering, sleeping, or swimming. The lashes come as individuals, clusters, and most commonly lash strips. The magnetic lashes work by placing a magnetic false lash between one's eyelashes, thereby sandwiching in natural eyelashes with the magnetic eyelashes. While using magnetic eyelashes, always be careful as it is totally a different magnesium. When using a glue method, the user smears the glue on false lash, letting it settle for 30 seconds and then presses it against the glue has dried enough. There are two basic technologies, bundles and an auxiliary. With the bundle method, ready-made bundles of eyelashes fastened together are used, while auxiliary building is a way of piece building. One or several artificial ones are glued to one natural eyelash. In the United States, eyelash extension services can range from 30 to 500 depending on 1. The number and type of lashes being used. 2. The skill level of the cosmetologist or the esthetician. And 3. The venue where the extensions are applied. Because an average person might have anywhere from 100 to 200 lashes per eye, it can take from 1 to 3 hours to attach a whole full new set. The number of lashes one can put on varies upon the existing natural eyelashes. Because humans lose natural eyelashes every day, the eyelash extensions usually last between 3 to 4 weeks, and during that time period, natural lashes start falling out or thinning. Maintaining a full set of eyelashes require a refill every 2 to 3 weeks or a partial set every 4 weeks. If done correctly, there should be no damage to the natural lashes. It is important to find a trained professional to preserve lash growth and reduce the chance of eye complications. Professionals trained in lash artistry go by various titles, including lash technicians, lash artists, and lash stylists. There are different companies that provide training and certification for potential eyelash extensions technicians. In the United States, each state individually regulate this industry. Some states require either a cosmetology or an anesthesia license. Some states have a certification or license just for lash technicians. The UK, the Guild of Professionals Beauty Therapists, accredited courses for the safe application of semi-permanent individual eyelash extensions. The value of the course content can be judged by the number of CBD continued professional development points that the course is awarded. Well, that was the history of eyelash extensions and what makes them such a popular procedure today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time. Love you guys. Remember, always have joy in your heart. Good night.